Another day. There's blizzard going on outside. Still don't know what to do. Let's show you guys the blizzard. What the full blizzard. I don't know if you guys can see this full blizzard. Holy. This is the aftermath. What the? So I've decided to do some snow shoveling. The blizzard is done. Let's see how it goes. This is what the snow is looking like. So this is after I just tried to clean my lane. There's still blizzard going on, so I cleaned the walkway too, and even the walkway got filled real quick, you know.